I'm at Michael's today to check out the Halloween crafting items and the new Lean portable printer. Michael's has some really cute Halloween scrapbooking and card making items out. They have these stickers, and then they have these die cuts. Aren't they cute? And then they have these layering stencils, which I really like that one. And then they have some sticker books. So cute. Really cute. And then here's this one. Bunch of little stickers in this one, which is, I think, perfect for cards or journaling. This one looks pretty cool. Let's check this one out. I like the orange foiling on that. Oh, that one's cute. I like those owls. Very cute. So those are $6. That's not bad. Here's another sticker book that is letters and numbers. Gold and black. Gold foil and black. And then they have all these different die cut stickers. Like, look at this one. These are really cute. They have a whole bunch of them. I'll fix that, guys. I can't hang that one back up. We'll put that up here. Looks like they're still trying to get everything out. They also have some paper pads, and I'll show you the paper pads in just a minute. And those were $4.99. And here's, oh, that's really cute. Some bigger ones. $5.99. Really cute. Oh, look at the butterfly. Oh, I like that one too. Oh my goodness, such cute ones. I really love that ghost. That's cute. Let me show you the paper pads. So this one is called Halloween Hauls. Let me know, are you gonna buy some Halloween paper this year? What are your plans? Are you gonna make some Halloween journals? I haven't decided. The next one here is Bound by Magic. Looking at these is getting me motivated to make some Halloween journals, though. That's for sure. Some cut-aparts. Big cut-aparts. Cute. And this one is Conjuring Nightfall. Oh, that's cool. I love the kitty cats. Got some strips there. Cobwebs. Ooh, this one might be my favorite. I love those ghosts. Big cut-aparts. Gold foil snakes is about what I like. That's about it. And then they had one fall paper pad. I'm guessing they'll have more, but we'll take a look at this one. There's 2 sheets of each design. Looks very reminiscent to previous ones. Oh, that's cute. It's almost like a mesh up of all the different fall ones into just one fall paper pad. So that'll be interesting to see if they do any more. What is this? Acorns. Yeah, that's cute. So the reason that I'm at Michael's today is because I'm doing a little collaboration with Lean and Michael's on their new portable printer. And 2 people who I got them to let me take their picture, and then they're going to post it on Instagram they have a chance of winning one of the little portable printers. So I hope they win. It was so fun kind of talking to people about the printer and letting them know about it. They hadn't heard of it before, so that was really fun. And then I know you've heard me talk about the Lien sticker printer and then this portable printer. Now Michaels is now selling the portable printer here. So that's very cool. And $99 is a good price. And then you have the little cartridge. You get the sticky paper and the ink cartridges. You get 50 sheets and enough ink for the 50 sheets. So that's kind of cool that they're selling that here. They also have some confetti and some stamps. And then these are really interesting. They're like 3D little paper diorama. Those are really cool. Oh guys, look at this one. That's really cool. I love the mushrooms. That's really cool. That's all paper. Huh, I'm tempted to get one to try it out. $8 isn't bad. Look at this circus one. That's pretty cool too. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, I might have to get that one. That's really cool. But that one's really cool too, the apothecary. And then I like the coffin. And then that one. Oh man, that's a hard choice. Which one of these would you buy? Well, well, well. What do we have here? Tim Holtz at Michaels. Interesting. Oh, I like those. And then these are the layers and paper dolls. That's a good pack to get if you don't have any of the Tim Holtz Halloween. I have that. That's nice. Ooh, the bubbles. That's a good one to get as well. Oh, and the collage paper. See all the designs down here? Very nice. Oh, I like this one. The ephemera pack. That's a good one. That's a really good one. And then these are all the different frames. These are fun. They have the different sayings and the frames. And if they're too thick, you can kind of peel the layers off to make it a little thinner. And then this is the backdrops. This is really good to get, guys. I really like the backdrops. I might have to get that. I think I have one at home though. And then these are the large collage strips, which are very cool as well. Wow, who knew? Look at these cute Halloween peanut fabrics. I really like those a lot. And then they have a few other kind of Halloween, kind of like Pirate and Nightmare Before. Those are pretty good too. It's always good to check out their fabric at Michaels. I think these are really fun too. And for as much ribbon that you get, $10, plus if you use one of their coupons, I think these are a good price. Let me know what you think. And then they also have these really pretty Halloween ones. These would be great for some Halloween tassels. I love those. I think that's awesome. There's some pretty cool items in here. Like, look at this. The spiders. And then I like this purple right here. It's more purple in real life than how it's showing up there. But they're all pretty cool. Oh, and then look at this one. Like the sequins. That's neat. And then here we got some kitty cats and pom-poms. And I like this lavender color. And then up here, I like this green. That's really cool. And we got some sequins here. Green sequins. And then this one, that's cool, the bat ribbon. Oh, this one has skulls.
I have.
That's very cool. You're probably seeing some that I'm not even seeing. These are cool. Gosh, it would be hard for me to pick which one. I'd want them all. And then down here, this is kind of all black. That's very cool, black and white and silver. And then this one's a bunch of neutrals. I like the spider web. Oh, and then what's this one? Oh, that's cool too. Yeah, these are really cool. I like the variety. Let me know if you would buy one, which one? Or would you buy them all? And they're $10 as well. But you can use a 25% off coupon. I did pick up a few things at Michael's, and I'll show you that in just a minute. I just want to remind you about my summer giveaway. You just send in a tag to me and be a subscriber on my channel, be 18 years or older, and then I will send you a tag and a handmade sticker sheet, but then you will be entered into a prize to win $40 or $25. And here is the info right here. All right, so let's get in to see what I picked up. I did end up picking up 2 of these. So I got one of these at 30% off and one of these at 25% off. So they were around $7. But I went with the green and the orange black. I really liked that one in purple. And then I also went with this one that had the spiders and the spider webs. And this tinsel-y green tinsel, and then this trim. And I mean, it's a yard each one. I measured, they're a yard each, and there's probably 20 of them on here. So when you think about buying a ribbon on a spool, you're paying around $3 or so for about 3 yards. So really, this is a good deal. Oh, and look, I didn't even see this silver. So I did pick up 2 of those, and maybe this will motivate me to make a couple Halloween journals. And then I did pick up 2 of these guys. It was hard for me to choose, but I love mushrooms. I liked how this was a lantern shape. So I thought that would be interesting to try to put together. And then this one's kind of a multi-layered. So let me know if you'd like me to make one of these on camera with you guys, and let me know which one. Do you want me to do the house, or do you want me to do the lantern? And I'll make one of these on camera. See how easy it is and what it all looks like inside. So make sure to vote. All right, well, that was a fun little day. I didn't expect to buy anything because I was really just going to Michael's for the Leanne portable printer promotion. And Leanne already reached out to me, and I think they've already picked a winner from the 2 people that to let me take their photos. So that's really fun that she's going to win a printer or get a printer. So anywho, all right, guys, back to my Dollar Tree journal. I'm almost done with it, so you'll see that video probably on Wednesday. So don't forget to enter my giveaway. It's going to be so fun. I am putting all of the tags on this little ring, like a ring tag journal. Isn't that so fun? These are a couple of the entries. They're so pretty. But yeah, I hope you enter. All right, see y'all in the next video. Bye.